This tiny board, the same size as a classic Arduino Uno, can run Linux, detect objects with camera, and yes, play games. All for under $60. I know that sounds fake. I thought the same thing, but let me show you. Okay, specs first. Because this thing is a bit unusual. It has two chips, a Qualcomm Dragonwing processor that runs Linux, and a separate STM32 microcontroller for your classic Arduino sketches. Two variants of RAM and storage, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and the same exact form factor as every Arduino Uno you ever use. You can download the Arduino App Lab from the link in the description. Plug the board in via USB. You will see the Arduino logo boot animation, then a heartbeat blink on the board. The App Lab automatically detects the board. Click it, it will prompt a firmware update. Just do it, it takes about a minute. Then a quick config. Give it a name. Enter Wi-Fi credentials, install packages, set a password. You are done with the setup. You are now inside the App Lab interface, which has a bunch of ready to run examples. Classic first test, LED blink, one click to run. Compiles, flashes, and there it is. Now the slightly confusing part, there are actually two files. A Python file on the Linux side running on the microprocessor and an INO file on the microcontroller side. They communicate through a bridge. It's a hybrid system. Unusual at first, but it makes sense once you see it. Single LED blink is fine, but I can also control it from a browser over Wi-Fi or toggle all four LEDs from a web dashboard running locally on the board. Okay, remember Google's Dino-style game? The one that shows up when your internet dies. I'm playing something just like it. On this LED matrix display, instead of dinosaur, the main character here is an LED, and I beat my high score on an Arduino running Linux. If this saved you time, a like helps a lot. I've been posting interesting Uno Q content in a series called 100 Days with Uno Q. Check it out and see you in the next one.